And then this green apple liqueur. Okay. Green apple. An ounce of that. And then of course a dash of Quattro once again. Okay. Just to add a little bit sweetness and slightly flavor of orange. Then the gentleman turns to share. Okay. So that's the apple martini with the hint of green apple. And the glass is being garnished with a slice of green apple. So before you go to the dining room, you must visit the martini bar on level 5. Okay, the gentleman will be sampling this apple martini. We have to do a lot of culinary demonstrations so you can learn that word. Excellent. So, I'll be back after the sauce is ready to introduce you to the wonderful world of wine. Okay? I will turn you over to the executive chef. Thank you.
Another applause for Riley, please. Good job. Don't forget my martini, right? All the time you fight me for martini, you've been sitting, but guess what? When I finish my martini, he shouts. All right. We're going to start this presentation with the sushi. So I have my two master sushi here, and that's all what we're going to do now. For example, we have salmon fillet first.
Download na po lahat.
More of currency, whatever product we do fresh. So what we're going to do, that was just now, we're going to remove the skin for later and start to make the cut for the sushi and for the nigiri. So very simple. What you need is a very sharp knife. It's very good, very good. If you have a sharp knife, you have to be very careful on trying to clean it. Okay, so John is gonna do for us this morning. What you gonna start to do for us this morning? Motomaki. Okay, what we need for the sushi? Let's start for the history. What we need for the sushi? We need for the sushi rice. That is rice. What else? Vinegar, rice vinegar. We need sugar, salt, and water. Sugar, a little bit of sugar. Okay. So when you have the rice, you need Japanese rice.